So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you make buttons that you need to press to open a door. So let's say you have 3 buttons that all have to be pressed to open a door. And after that I'm going to show you how you do those buttons, but with a check if those buttons are pushed in a specific order. So you need to push the left one first, then the middle one, and then the right one. And only in this combination the door will open. But first we're gonna start with just simply make 3 buttons and open the door if you push on those 3 buttons. So, or if you step on those buttons. So first we're gonna make a door. This will be pretty simple. Take a door. This is closed, so if you didn't push the buttons, the door will look like this, and will give you a message like that, like the door is closed, or better to say it's locked. And yeah, this is what will happen if you yeah, we can do this to, yeah, I don't know if you need this, but I do this. So the door is locked if we click on it, and yeah, we will see this in the game. After that we need button 1, we need 3 buttons, and I will, let's take buttons. So we do it below characters because you want to step on it, and the action trigger should be player touch. It is not walking, it should be doing nothing. Yeah, I always do this direction fix for stuff that shouldn't change its direction. It doesn't matter for this kind. I don't know if it matters if you walk on it from a certain direction, but I don't think so. Yeah, you can leave it like that. And this is the first button. And yeah, what should happen? So if we step on this button, we need a counter, we need a variable. So for every button where we step on, the variable will get added a number 1. So if you can check it like that. So if the variable is equal to 3, then you know that 3 buttons are pushed, because we want to give every button where we step on, we want to increase the number by 1. So if we step on the first button, it is 1. If we step on the second, it is 2. And if we step on the third, it's 3. So, and here on the door, we check if this variable is 3, and then we will open the door. And yeah, we can do it like that. So first thing is we have this button, and if we step on it, if player touch, it is below, so if we step on it, we need a new page, it will turn the switch on, which we call button 1 activated, and give it a graphic that shows that, it indicates that the button is pressed. I take this one. So we can leave it like that. Actually it doesn't matter, it needs to be below characters, because if you step on it and activate it and set it to same as characters, your character will get stuck on it after it switches to this page. So we need it to be below characters. And here in the first page we simply need to set this switch to on, so it's activated. And before you want to create a variable, and we need it. We can call it like door counter, and we can add 1 here, because yeah, that's what I told you already. Whenever we step on this and it's not already down, we want to increase the door counter by 1. And that's it for the first button, I guess. And we can simply copy and paste that button. But we need to change this switches to, everyone needs a unique switch. So we call this button 2 activated, and we can also already name the third one and name it button 3 activated. And here we take the second one, set OK, and we need to switch it here. On the switch condition we also choose button 2, and then we do it for the last button. Edit button 3 and button 3 activated. We can call this also button 3, and this is button 2. And we go back to the door again, and we need a new page for an open door. There it is. Yeah, we can simply, I want to, I just want to make it, I want it to disappear. So we set it to direction fix. I think this is important, maybe. I don't know, but I think it's good to set it to direction fix, so it will always just take this part of the image, so it only stays blank, so it's transparent and you can see that it is open. And here we need to switch if, oh no, we actually don't need to switch, we need a variable, and if the door counter is bigger or equal, this always indicates bigger or equal. So we see, this sign here, it means bigger, and the little underscore, I don't know how to call it, it indicates that it means greater or equal to 3. So, and we always give our variable, we add 1. So yeah, this is the right thing to do, because if you push all 3 buttons, it is equal to 3 or higher, and in this case the door should open. And I'm actually not sure if that is all, but for the first part this should be enough to open the door if we step on all of those 3 buttons. And you can place them wherever you like, so it doesn't matter where they are. So let's see, you go on the first button, you see it's down now. I go on the second button, it's also down and won't come up again. And third button pressed and the door is open. Of course, yeah, I made a mistake. We need to set the door to below characters on the second page. So if it's the same as the character and it's blank, it's just a blank spot that blocks you from going any further. So I made this change now. I set the second page of the door to below character, and now we can see that it should be working as intended. So all 3 buttons pushed and it's open and we can pass through.